So we're going to show you the engine of this crazy car, and it's going to go right there is your fuel pump, generator. This is where you fill the oil, distributor cap, 1 and 2 carburetors, cooling fan, throttle linkage for the carburetors.
What about this thing?
Distributor cap. That is the mount for the spare tire. And if you look, that's what this cutout is where the spare tire goes. The spare tire actually comes and covers up part of the carburetor.
I never knew the spare tire for Corvair was in the engine.
Yeah. Yes, it's in the engine. That's where it goes.
Why?
Well, where else are you going to put it?
The trunk? Like normal people?
Well, this is the trunk.
But that's the trunk. Ah! That's the trunk, but that's the trunk too. But this is the engine, and that's where the engine needs to go, and then that's the trunk. And
well, if they put it in the trunk, then there would be no room to put stuff. There'd be less room to put stuff in the trunk.
make it a Jeep.
Then it wouldn't look good.
I don't know. Put it on the top of your car.
Put it on the top of the engine. It works. It's been working. Anyway.
Apparently.
Well, I don't know if you can see, but that's for your number 6 for the 6-cylinder. Well, it's the 6-piston. 6, 4, 2, and then it goes 1, 3, 5. And that's all the different ones.